Yep, you already seen it. We got kebabs on the menu today. I'm gonna show you guys how to do honey chipotle chicken kebabs. Y'all ready for a little heat? Get in your kitchen, let's go. Let's do a quick rundown of what we have right here. We have some boneless chicken breast. Now I'll cut these up into little chunks like this. Now you can also use boneless chicken thighs if you want. It's totally up to you. I just ate thighs yesterday, so I'm gonna use boneless chicken breast. We have soy sauce. We have some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce here. Apple cider vinegar, cumin, minced garlic, some lime, some honey adobo seasoning, and some honey here. So this is all you're gonna need. Let's go ahead and get to it. So what you're gonna do first, add all your ingredients into a blender, puree it for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, I've already done that. I didn't show you guys that step. I just figured you guys would need to see that. And we're gonna move that over, bring our chicken back into the shot. We're gonna pour that over our chicken like that. We're gonna take a little spoon and we're gonna get our chicken mixed around in here like that. Now guys, if you want it with less heat, don't add the chipotle peppers, take it out. I learned my lesson from those tingas. I only added one chipotle pepper. I think that's enough for me. If you want to cut down more on the heat, don't add the chipotle pepper, just add some of that adobo sauce to give you that little mild flavor. So we're gonna let this marinate for at least 2 hours up to overnight. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna do mine here for 2 hours because I'm ready to eat these, baby. I can't wait till tomorrow, all right? So I'll see you guys in 2 hours. All right, so we're about 4 hours in. We had our chicken just sitting in here marinating, letting all those flavors, start talking to each other, getting married and all that good stuff. You know how we like our flavors to do. So next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start building our kebabs. Now I didn't even count the number of pieces that I had so I could know how to even my kebabs out, but we're gonna start off with 6 per skewer. Well, let's see what 6 looks like, all right? So I'm gonna set this aside. Let me bring some aluminum foil over here to kind of lay on this cutting board. Just a little bit. And we're just gonna start building our skewers. Guys, so 6 looks like about right. So we're gonna sit that right there. We may be able to get about maybe 3 skewers. Look at that one. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of them done, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, so now that we built out our kebabs, I'm gonna take some of our adobo honey seasoning. Man, I love this stuff. And we're just gonna, sprinkle a little bit on top just to give it some of that additional flavor. All right, so now we're gonna move over to our air fryer so we can start cooking. All right, so we're over at our air fryer. We're gonna get this baby on 375 preheated. Now you can put it on 375 or 400. I'm gonna do mine on 375. And now we're just gonna wait till the completion of the preheating, and then we're gonna come right back and throw them babies on. All right, so now that our air fryer has been preheated, we're gonna lift that up, and we're gonna start adding our kebabs. Well, I'm glad I only had 5 skewers, because hell, that's all I'm able to fit on here. And that's enough right there, guys. Let's zoom in a little bit on that. We're gonna close that up, and we're gonna let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna let them cook for about 10 minutes per side. We want that internal temperature to be around 165 degrees. All right, so we're back after 10 minutes. We're gonna pause our cooking process. Oh man, them babies looking good. Gonna take some of that reserve sauce. We're just gonna baste these babies in that reserve sauce. All right, now we're just gonna flip them over. We're gonna allow them to finish cooking on this other side for the remaining 10 minutes. We're gonna do a little basting right here also, but you're looking for internal temperature, guys, always 165 minimum for that chicken. All right, let's get our lid back down. Let's continue. All right, guys, it looks like we are done. We're gonna lift our veil. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, man. Oh, man. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna base it down again. And we're just gonna go like a couple of minutes with that base on it like that. All right, guys, so we are back in here after about a couple of minutes. We're gonna go ahead, pause our heat, gonna lift our veil up. All right, so let's go ahead and get over to our cutting board so we can get into our final presentation. All right, we're back in here, quality control time. Guys, take a look at that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit this here on the side on this counter while I take care of this one right here. Let's step to the front of the congregation. All right, take a look at that. All right, baby, off. Oh, man. And you know it's good when you start doing side to side like that, kind of like tapping your feet. You know how you would when you're a kid. You start dancing. Oh man. Guys, this is it. And guess what? Minimum heat. 1 chipotle pepper and the rest adobo sauce, all right? And you guys gonna love this one. So, till the end, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, chef, just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.